All right, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing all things birthday party. My son will be turning 2. I can't believe how fast this time has flown by. Like, I know it's so cliche to say cherish the moments, but I feel like he was just born yesterday and everybody says that, but like that just goes to show you how fast the time is flying. So anyways, y'all know I love all things DIY, creativity. I'm an event planner. So we are going to have the most epic second birthday party. So the theme for this year will be Too Cool / Baby Shark. Ryan has been into Baby Shark lately, so I decided to incorporate that into the theme. And so I'm gonna show you guys the setup process of how we're gonna get the decorative areas together. And also like the backyard is gonna be like this backyard water area. So we're gonna transform the backyard as well. And y'all know I love having like a dual party area. So the garage will also be another area for the setup. So I've already created a video on TikTok that highlights how I created the gift bags for this birthday party. I am such an Amazon girly, so everything's from Amazon. And again, I will link that video in the description box so you can check that out to see how I created the gift bags for the kids. And so now let's get into the balloons. We have to blow them up early. Last year, I waited till the night before to do everything. We're not doing that this year. We are blowing up the balloons early so that we can focus on just kind of setting everything up when Friday and Saturday morning gets here. So let's get into the color scheme that I picked out for the birthday party. Okay, so as you guys can see, I based my invitation off the colors of the balloons. So we've got solid blue, turquoise, yellow. Oh, that's not turquoise, that's yellow. And we've also got some lime green. So we're gonna go ahead and blow these up so that we can start styling our balloon garlands. This part is a very long, tedious process, but it has to take place in order to get the beautiful balloon displays that you guys see online and on social media. Like, just look at these colors together. This color combo, it just looks so good together. Lime green, yellow, turquoise, and blue. Cannot wait to add it to the backdrop installs and the marquee numbers / letters so we can see how it all comes together. So these are the balloon foils that I ordered off Amazon. Some of them will go on the garland, but the other ones I just got to kind of have some more themed decorations around the house. And this is the Baby Shark family that will be going on the garlands. I'm gonna blow all of them up. Mommy Shark, Daddy Shark, Baby Shark, Grandma, and Grandpa Shark. So let's get to it. It's always important that you do not overinflate during this process of blowing up the balloons. Here are the gift bags, and the balloons have taken over the office. I am at a stopping point for balloons, and so I will now move on to getting the backyard stuff ready. All right, so these are the little pools that I got from Ross. This one is like a little mini ball pit. I got some rings for the pool. And here are the little pools. They were super, super cheap, so highly recommend going to Ross to get pools. Hey, Ryan. Hi, Ryan. And so I've recruited my dad to blow them up. Is it working? These are beach balls that I ordered off Amazon to go with the theme. Very summerish. And so we're gonna get those blown up too. All right, so you guys, so in the beginning of my video, I explained how the garage was going to be another decorative area for the party. So my sister graciously helped me add the piping drapes and curtains to the garage. We went back and forth about whether doing it angled and then kind of all around, but we ended up deciding on just doing one big line. And so yeah, once we add the backdrop props, which will go here and here, that's the cake stand, Princeton's just going in and out, and this is where the gift bags will go. It's gonna be a complete full setup. So Stay tuned. Hey, birthday boy. Hi, birthday boy. So I ran to Home Depot this same day. That way I could get this turquoise colored paint because my rainbow arch that I use for a lot of my rentals, I wanted to make sure I covered the pink that was there so that it could fit the color scheme of the party. So at this point, I'm now taking that same rainbow arch backdrop that you saw me painting earlier, and I'm going to arrange it in front of the yellow pipe and drape. This is going to be the main decorative area when the kids are in the garage to sing happy birthday, eat cake, and also eat. It just makes it easier to utilize this space because I do only have one living room in my home. So I wanted to really take advantage of the additional space that I had in my house. So these next few clips are really just me arranging those backdrops, the one that you see leaning against the wall and the one here. I stabilize them by using 50-pound sandbags, which you will see at the end of the video. And that's how they stay secure and not falling over. So next steps, I am going to be arranging the fruit kebabs as well as putting together the balloon garlands that you see here. I made sure I got all this done before I went to bed. And so y'all, I was tired, but we got it done. Morning, good morning, good morning. I have just picked up the cake. It has been a busy morning, so I'm headed back home now. My sister and I are gonna try to get a 30-minute workout in. And then we are going to just kind of start clearing the living room area and then adding the balloons to the installations. Wesley has been so gracious as to take my van to help pick up some last minute things that we did not get. So we're gonna make this party start right on time, y'all. Usually we start events late, but we're gonna be on time today. Made it back home in time from our workout, so now I'm just setting out the little mini pools that I purchased outside with the beach balls and the pool rings and other pool accessories. That way that can already be outside. And then now I'm just adding the balloon garlands onto the backdrops. As you guys can see, I ended up putting everything together the night before. And now we're just going. We're just going to attach the balloons, fill in gaps, and then, of course, as always, going in with our 5-inch clusters at the end. I love how this turned out. It's just giving summer. It's giving Baby Shark. Too cool. I absolutely love this theme. So let's see the final result. Here is the final result. I love it, guys. Love it. So now let's get into the party. That's so cool. I can't, Rachel. This is the outdoor display that I created. Too cool for the birthday boy. Here is a shot of the cake and Ryan just being his cool little self. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. This cake was amazing. I might just order one just so I can eat some of it. But the party was a success. Ryan had a smile on his face, and that is the only thing that matters. This was the fruit display that I forgot to take a picture of, but this is the last little pic that I got. Here's Ryan and Daddy Shark and Mommy Shark. And then at the end of the party, we had a little relay race. Once we put the bounce house down.
Come on, Raina, come on, Raina, come on, Raina.